It's all good though. Whatever. Sometimes you gotta go in there, get up in there and shake your booty and shit. We shake our fists in this one. We shake our booties in that one. Oh yeah, you already know. Yo, real quick. Has anybody in here heard of Glass Cloud before? Tight. Well, before this tour happened, we parted ways with our old drummer and our old bassist. I don't know if you saw online, if any of you guys are keen on MySpace and shit like that. Wrong decade. Maybe Facebook? I don't know. Anyway, that's all love with those guys. They're still our brothers. They got some new shit they're working on that's really fucking cool. So check that out when it comes out. But that left us without a drummer and a bassist. So we had some homies that were gonna fill in. They showed up at my house like a week before the tour started, and they didn't have their shit together. They didn't know the songs properly. And I said, it's cool, man. I know, I get it. It's kind of hard and it's late notice, but all I asked for them was to pour their hearts into the songs. And they don't have fucking heart, so they left. So, oh, boo-hoo. Fuck them. Fuck those guys. I want all the bad things in life to happen to them and only them. Anyway, so we had a couple of homies who we brought out with us. One of them was just Baby J. And real quick, this is my boy Alex from Era right here. You guys want to hear a newer song? Let's wake the fuck up, Orlando! This song's called Trap Like Rats. If you know the words, let me hear your voices. Waiting a perfect world. This new daybreak, let this wake overflowing. This what you say, let's move away. What I feel is different, because you know me. There's no one, there's no feeling, or it makes me struck like a rat. What did you say? Let's move away. What I feel is different, you can read it, perfect. Creating a perfect world with fun, creating a perfect my goodness. Never understood your mother's fucking head, first enough. One breath. Pretty perfect one with one, creating a perfect one with one, creating a perfect one. Let's go take place, the rest is like overflowing. What did you say? What's the love? What I feel is different. Not doing all the things. There's no run. There's no feeling. Or it makes rap. Stop like a rat. What the fuck did you say? You've been creating perfect one. Creating a perfect one. This will take place. Raise it like this. Overflowing. What do you say? What's the wrong way? What I can't remember. You've been reading your first. Whoa. Perfect one. With one. With one. Reading your perfect one. Yeah. Perfect one. Perfect one. One. Thank you. Fuck yeah, you guys are live as fuck, O-Town. Oh, it's kind of awkward now, right? No, I see. I got you. Thank you for that. One more time for Alex from Arrow right here. Everybody buy him drinks and get him fucked up. What did you guys think about that local band that opened up the show today? They were fucking awesome, man. That was really fucking cool. You guys were awesome. I'm gonna need you guys to go to every single show they play in this area. That's the only way to keep the music scene alive and to support your fucking friends, man. What do you guys think about our brothers from across the pond in Monuments? They are one of my favorite bands on the planet. Go buy all their merch. What'd you think about Reflections? Heavy as nails, that band is. Hit it. All right, let's keep this shit moving. I'd like to welcome Boomstick to the stage right here. Boom! He's been in a few bands and he's been touring for a long time. This dude heard about our shitty situation and he quit his job and he cut the lease up to his house and fucking drove 15 hours to make this shit happen. Boomstick! Our sound guy is being funny. Do that again. Boomstick! Check. Here, give me one. Well, one more, Jeff. One more. Boomstick! I'll take it. I'll take it. Shut the fuck up. Well, nobody tell me what to do. All right, now fuck it. Let's play a song. You guys down? Yeah! Let's go. This is the second track off. What? Hold up. This is the second track off of Perfect War Forever, and it's called I Dug a Grave. I dug a grave. You have me right. Open eyes and face the dead. But then again, I dug a grave. You and me and I rather get from death across the end. You and my life was a desert road. That's a cemetery again. Just above the end. We come out of your head when you bite your tongue. When you never back for the skin. Just above the end. Give up your problem. Something crazy your mind. When it never matters. Like other good for you. You and me correct. There your open eyes in me. Great mistake. You're getting dead. Just above the end. of your hand. When you fight yourself, when it ever been, fight aloud again. Just above in the end. Please hold your hand. Because your Savior's gone. He was never with you. No matter what you say. No matter what you think. No matter who you love. No matter what you think. I'm gonna bury you. Alright, Orlando! No matter what you think, no matter who you love, what you think.